working in my studio, I noticed something moving in a glass of water on my table. At first, I couldn't tell what it was, but as I looked closer, I realized it was a sketch behind the glass of water. My pre-painting sketch of my first lovebird, Baby Ting, wings outspread. Weeks after he had passed, I had dreamed of him flying toward me in golden light. That moment lifted my guilt and reminded me that heaven communicates in the quietest ways if we are willing to listen. Even the simplest moments can carry whispers of eternity.